Digital journeys were meant to feel effortless, yet somewhere along the way, they became heavy, crowded with screens, endless scrolling, and moments where people stop, unsure of what to do next. Fingers move slowly across small screens, patience fades, and opportunities quietly slip away. In those moments, what people really need isn't more information but reassurance, a sense that someone is there to guide them. This is where a voice-first experience begins to feel different. Instead of searching and guessing, users are welcomed by an intelligent voice that listens, understands, and responds with calm clarity. Through natural conversation, it asks the right questions, adapts gently in real time, and guides each person forward, one step at a time, without pressure or friction. There are no forms to struggle with, and no barriers to cross, only a smooth, human flow that feels easy and familiar. As conversations unfold, actions are completed almost effortlessly, whether it's a sign-up, a booking, or simply moving forward with confidence. For businesses, this creates digital experiences that feel warmer, more intuitive, and deeply human, turning hesitation into trust and interaction into progress. Because when digital experiences speak with clarity and care, people respond naturally, and meaningful outcomes follow, powered by Oviyaa.